Hi friends, welcome to the ABC Zoo Jungle. Let's meet the animals from A to Z. A is for alligator. Can you say alligator? Alligators are super old. Alligators have been around for over 150 million years, since dinosaur times. They can have 80 teeth at once. They can have up to 3,000 teeth in their lifetime. Their eyes peek out above water. See you next time at the ABC Zoo Jungle. Make sure to follow for more videos.